People first language. A person with a disability is more like people with disabilities than different. The definition, so what is people first language? This puts the person before the disability. So it is a person with a disability. So you would say a person who is deaf. You want to emphasize the ability, not the limitations. People first language is the best place to start when talking to a person with a disability, but you want to also keep in mind that the preferences do vary. So if you're unsure, ask. An interesting fact is that 1 in 5 Americans have a disability. People first language is not political correctness. Instead, it demonstrates good manners, respect, the golden rule, and more. It can change the way we see a person, and it can change the way the person sees themselves. Examples that I've seen in class, so you do not want to say Haley is nonverbal. Instead, you want to say Haley communicates with a communication device. Instead of saying she's autistic, you want to say she has autism. Instead of saying John is in special education, you want to say that John receives special education services. Examples continued, so instead of saying he's learning disabled, you want to say he has a learning disability. Instead of saying that she is crazy, you want to say that she has a mental illness. Instead of saying a healthy person, you want to say a person without a disability. And then instead of saying he has oppositional defiant disorder, you want to say he has a diagnosis of oppositional defiant disorder. And my resources. Thank you.